Unakwanga ipa kids?
I'm monitoring.
Oh, you're monitoring. So you do wanna check my pressure every day?
Like once in a week.
Or once in a week, eh? So this one is
mostly in a read 95.
So this is the dangerous one. This one is the one that is in danger. So yenye imepanda juu. So I've taken two takes, eh? So ya kwanza ilikuwa 156 over the same one 106. So unaona sasa the systolic pressure may reduce, eh? But the diastolic pressure bado iko a bit high. So this one is the one you need to check on by maybe taking a lot of water. Walking, exercising for your veins and blood vessels to be flexible, ndio damu iko inapita with ease. So the reason unakuwa na blood pressure ni unapata your arteries are not flexible enough, as na strain sana ama ziko stiffen. That's when pressure inakuwa unakuwa na blood pressure. Yeah, but by doing that you maybe monitor again maybe after a while and see kama kutakuwa na change. So before you rush to medications, I don't advise mtu akimbia kwa medications. Medication inafaa kwa the last option. Yeah, because kuna natural ways of controlling your blood pressure. Yeah, lezo ndio advocating mtu a check mapema to avoid kufika mahali pa kwenda kutumia madawa. Yeah, you just do that and monitor, continue monitoring. And maybe the doctor ama whoever is attending to you will advise you further. Yeah, but no danger so far.
No danger.
Yeah, but the diastolic to the dangerous. Yeah. So
Okay, thank you.
About water, maybe 2 to 3 liters in a day is okay. Yeah, just try taking a lot of water and maybe you'll see a great change. And taking fruits, bananas, because again, potassium, your body needs a lot of potassium and magnesium. So by taking fruits, you'll be okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Sawa sawa.